Hello, wonderful being. Thank you for tuning in today. I'm Ataana. This session today is designed to support you in connecting all aspects of your being, including your chakras, your energy bodies, your fragmented selves, and everything that is in your being disconnected that belongs to you, so that we can bring a oneness consciousness and a oneness energy into all aspects of our being. Deepen your breath. Inhale to your nose and exhale to your mouth. Observe the energy. See if you can focus on my hands or on my eyes. Very good. And allow this energy to flow into all aspects of our being. Any fragmented self, any fragmented parts of our beings, our chakras, our energy bodies, our emotional, mental, spiritual, physical, our astral body, into all aspects of our beings. Allow this healing light and this healing energy to flow into wherever it's needed, and allow yourself to integrate it. Remember that all is one, including yourself. There is no oneness without you. Consider yourself as a vital, important part. Allow divine source energy to become fully present. Allow your light body to be activated. Allow more and more light to become present in your system. Thank you.